I'm Batman, and I'm about to do some house cleaning.
Where's mine?
Oh, I'll give you this one.
You will? How sweet.
Yeah, right after I shoot you. So just stay still.
That boy!
You just stand still, little guy. Just stand still. Joke boy. I have a joke for you. You wanna hear it?
Oh yes, I do love a good joke. Do share.
There once was an ugly guy with green hair.
Sure, okay.
And then he got shot with a Nerf blaster in the face.
And the joke is?
And after that, he became even more ugly. Ha!
You need to work on your material, Batman.
Well, maybe you'll find this funny. Whoa! Where are you? Wait! Hey, come back! Come back! I'm Batman, and I'm gonna put an end to this silliness. Joker, at some point, the Dark Knight will rise. Hey! I mean, Joker, I feel like you don't want to party, Joker. Bad guys like you deserve to be in jail, and that's what I'm gonna do. Come on, where are you? Batman down. Yes. Batman down.
What do we got here? Ooh. Gotta say, Batman, this looks awfully empty. Let's check. Oh no! Some stuff came out. Did that hurt?
Give me back my gun.
Nope. Gonna go look for bullets.
Later, Betty!
Wait! Don't go! To the Batcave!
Now it's time to load up! I don't think the bat knows that I knows where he stashes his big, mean bullets. Oh, there you are, my little friends.
I don't think the joke boy has any clue that I have another Mastodon on hand.
Oh, hello there, sir.
Good day.
I see you have a similar taste in blasters.
Well, you stole that one from me. That one's mine too.
Sharing is caring.
Lower your weapon.
Oh, I don't think so.
So be it. Nerf War.
Oh, you shot me in the back. You shot me in the back. Why, Batman? Why?
Guys, click like for Nerf Mastodon War between Joker and Batman. And also click like for Batman's victory. And hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe to Nerf Superheroes, because we got more crazy Nerf Wars coming your way real soon. Also, don't forget to check out this video right over here.